फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपके लिए लेके आऊँ कुछ ऐसी जॉब्स जो कि हैं रिलेटेड टू पाइथन डेवलपर रोल। तो अगर आप इस फील्ड में ऑलरेडी वर्किंग हैं, यू हैव स्ट्रॉन्ग नॉलेज ऑफ पाइथन प्रोग्रामिंग एंड यू आर लुकिंग फॉर एनी जॉब चेंज, डेफिनेटली कैन वॉच दिस वीडियो में हम आगे बढ़ेंगे अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखेंगे कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं, किस लोकेशन में अवेलेबल हैं, सैलरी एंड अदर बेनिफिट दीज कंपनीज आर ऑफरिंग। उससे पहले लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस माई सेल्फ। माई नेम इज हरीश सिंह। आई एम अ ब्लॉगर, अ यूट्यूबर एंड अ जॉब सर्च कंसल्टेंट एज वेल। एंड टाइम टू टाइम आपको अपने वीडियोस के थ्रू, इंस्टाग्राम पेज के थ्रू, फेसबुक पेज के थ्रू जॉब अपडेट्स अवेलेबल कराता रहता हूँ। So in future, if you do not want to lose out any opportunity related to data science field, related to Power BI developer, Python developer, then definitely can subscribe this YouTube channel, follow my Instagram page and my Facebook page as well. And if you're watching this video first time, do not forget to share this channel with your needy friends. Now let's jump to the laptop screen and see what are the jobs available, what are the opportunities, and how you can apply for the job post. Let's jump to the laptop screen.
आगे हमने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया था इन द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द वीडियो दैट टुडेज वीडियो इज अबाउट पाइथन डेवलपर रोल। तो अगर आपके पास भी एक्सपीरियंस है एज रिक्वायर्ड बाय द कंपनीज, विल डिस्कस फर्दर, देन यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर द जॉब पोस्ट। वीडियो आगे बढ़ाएं उससे पहले जस्ट वांटेड टू लेट यू नो अबाउट माय इंस्टाग्राम पेज विच इज जॉब सर्च गुरु फॉर यू, जहां पे आप पाते हैं लेटेस्ट जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस, एंड माय वेबसाइट callcentertalks.com, जहां पे आप विजिट करते हैं एंड यू कैन सबमिट योर लेटेस्ट रिज्यूमे। ऑल्सो इफ यू आर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो फर्स्ट टाइम, डू शेयर इट, सब्सक्राइब इट। अब बढ़ते हैं जॉब पीस की तरफ। So the first company in the list is Deutsche Bank. This company is hiring for the role of Python developer. Experience 3+ years. Location is in Pune. Salary 7 to 11 lakhs per annum. And education, what they've mentioned is BTech, MTech in computer science or similar. I'll quickly walk you through with the roles and responsibilities column. So work on complex applications to deliver value through the delivery of high quality software within the agile development of life cycle. Bring deep industry knowledge into the featured team to understand problems, leverage design patterns, automation, and support emergent design within the agreed domain target architecture. Work with the right and robust engineering practices, ability to share information, transfer knowledge and expertise to team members, discovering new techniques and helping others to adopt them, and define and evolve the architecture of the components you are working on and contribute to architectural decision at a department and bank wide level. If you want to read the roles and responsibilities column in detail, you can just pause the video and you can just go through with the complete roles and responsibilities. For now, I'm moving to technical skills, which is in-depth knowledge and hands-on experience on technologies like Python, Flask, and Jupyter Hub, along with understanding of both object-oriented and functional programming, freehand on Linux or Unix, exposure to web technologies, frameworks like Angular, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, experience of delivering within the agile delivery framework, experience with distributed version control tool like Git, GitHub, or Bitbucket. So these are some technical skills this company is looking for. So these are some must-have skills when you are applying for the job post: Python, Pandas, NumPy, SciPy, Jupyter Notebook, Hadoop, Unix, and agile ways of working. Must have full experience of various agile ceremonies relevant to a developer. And these are some domain and soft skills: risk, domain, credit risk or market risk, excellent team worker. And if you want to apply for the job post, you can just visit the description box where you'll find this link to apply. Now, the second company in the list is RANDSTAND. This company is in Bangalore. Experience, they are looking for 5+ years. Salary is, they have not disclosed, but that is competitive. Education, graduation in computer science or similar. And about the role: professional experience in web scraping, crawling, experience in working with REST API, regex, a strong understanding of Python and web scraping, good knowledge of multi-processing and multi-threading, good knowledge in at least one web scraping framework like Selenium or Beautiful Soap, and good knowledge of various Python libraries, APIs, and toolkits. And if I'll talk about the basic understanding of front-end technologies such as JavaScript, HTML5, and CS3 will be an added advantage. Proficiently understanding of code versioning tools such as Git. And if I'll talk about some technical skills, you should have 5+ years of experience in software development. Knowledge of Java is not mandated, but that would be an added advantage. A strong understanding of front-end technologies including HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and experience with version control systems such as Git, understanding of CI/CD. So these are some technical skills. And again, to apply for the job post, you can visit the description box. Now, the third company in the list is ZECHROME Technologies, hiring for Python developer, experience 3+ years. Location is in Gujarat, and education is graduation in computer science or similar. And this is some job description, a small intro. The Python developer lead will be located in our Surat and will work closely with our Silicon Valley office. As a front-end developer, you'll work on a variety of projects, ranging from internal customer software to product development needs for new projects. So this is just an introduction about this job role. And responsibilities: design, build, and maintain efficient, reusable, and reliable code, produce clean code, develop integrations with third-party vendors, fix bugs, and deliver results to team and clients. And if I talk about the key qualifications, these are: develop and maintain scalable user interfaces for existing and new web pages using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Working experience of 3 to 4 years minimum with the React.js and Redux framework is a must. Total front-end experience should be at least 7 years. And if I'll talk about the benefits this company is offering: walk in with the best brains in the Silicon Valley, best in industry, salary. You'll learn the latest concepts and technologies, and paid holidays. These are some benefits this company is offering. And again, to apply for the job post, you can visit the description box where you'll find this link. The fourth company in the list is INNOWAVE Technologies. This company is hiring for Python or Django developer, experience 1+ years, and location is Bangalore. Salary is 5 to 7 lakhs per annum. Education: bachelor's degree in computer science, engineering, or related field. And if I'll talk about the small intro about this, INNOWAVE is seeking a Python Django developer to join our team. The ideal candidate will have 1 to 2 years of relevant experience with Django REST API. As a developer at INNOWAVE, you'll have the opportunity to work on excellent projects. So this is some small intro about this INNOWAVE Technologies work specific to this role. And if I talk about the roles and responsibilities: design, develop, and maintain web applications using Python and Django framework, build RESTful APIs to facilitate seamless communication between various systems and applications, write clean, efficient, and maintainable code, conduct code reviews, and provide constructive feedback to team members, stay updated with the latest technologies. And if I'll talk about the technical skills, bachelor's degree in computer science or engineering or related field. This is qualification: experience 1 to 2 years of professional experience in Python development, proficiency in building RESTful APIs, experience with front-end technologies such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, strong communication and interpersonal skills with the ability to collaborate efficiently in a team environment. So these are some technical skills and qualifications for this company. And if you're interested in the job post, you can apply for the job post by clicking this link, which is available in the description box. So the fifth company in the list is TCS, which we all know, a consulting company, Tata Consultancy Services, hiring for Python developer in location Ahmedabad and Pune. Experience 4+ years, salary is competitive, education: bachelor's or computer application science, bachelor or engineering. And if you are looking to apply for the job post, you need to fulfill these details, which are hands-on experience in Python application development, experience in at least one popular Python framework, a strong Unix shell scripting hands-on experience, good knowledge of OOPS concepts and familiar with ORM, knowledge in ML packages is added advantage, knowledge in Hadoop is an added advantage, a strong coding, debugging, and analytical skills, and creative individual with a track record of working on and implementing innovative tech-based solution. So these are some about the role column. And so these are some roles and responsibilities for this company, and you must have Python scripting, OOPS concepts, and good to have Hadoop and ML packages. And again, to apply for the job post, you can simply visit the description box where the link for TCS is available. So friends, these are 5 jobs for this week, and I hope this video will be helpful for you. In case any of your friend is looking for a job change or have good experience in Python, then you can refer this video to those friends. Do share your feedback in the comment section, and thank you very much for watching the video. Have a great rest of your day.